Hey, want to make some quick cash? Let's dive into 5 ways to make money fast. And yes, they actually work. Welcome to the Make Money Monster channel, where we're all about turning your dreams into dollar signs. Today, I'm super pumped to share 5 awesome ways you can make money fast. Ready to transform your bank account? Whether you're saving up for something special or just need extra cash to get through the week, these tips are going to change the game for you. Let's get started. Got old gadgets, clothes, or that weird lamp you thought was a good idea? Sell it on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. One person's trash is another person's OMG. I love this! Instead of letting it collect dust, why not turn it into cash? Start by decluttering your space. Go through your closet, attic, and garage to find items you no longer use. Set up an account on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Snap some good photos and write detailed descriptions. The best part? You can sell almost anything from clothes and gadgets to furniture and collectibles. So what are you waiting for? Start selling now! Can you write, design, or even meme professionally? Hit up Fiverr or Upwork. People will pay you real money for things you thought were just hobbies. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or even a meme-making machine, there's a market for your skills. Freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork make it super easy to connect with clients who need your expertise. Start by creating a killer profile that showcases your skills and experience. Next, set your rates and start bidding on projects. Don't be discouraged if you don't get gigs right away. Soon enough, the projects will start rolling in. So go ahead and turn your hobbies into a money-making machine. If this has helped you, please smack that subscribe button and leave a comment about your favorite thing to do in the comment area. Deliver food with DoorDash or groceries with Instacart. The gig economy is booming, and there are plenty of opportunities to make money on your own schedule. Sign up for platforms like DoorDash, Uber Eats, or Instacart, and you can start earning money almost immediately. Got a few hours to spare in the evening? Great. Hop in your car, pick up some orders, and start delivering. If you're looking for a flexible way to earn some quick cash, the gig economy is the way to go. Yep, you can actually get paid to tell companies their ads suck. Try Survey Junkie or Swag Bucks for easy extra bucks. Taking surveys is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. Sign up for survey sites like Survey Junkie, Swag Bucks, or Vindale Research. Once you're registered, you'll start receiving survey invitations. The surveys usually take anywhere from a few minutes to half an hour to complete, and you'll earn points or cash for each one. So why not give it a try? Your next survey could be worth a few bucks. Babysit, mow lawns, or walk dogs. Your neighbor's pug has bills to pay. Help them help you. Offering local services like babysitting, lawn mowing, or dog walking can be a great way to make money quickly. Start by letting your neighbors know you're available. You can create flyers or post on community boards and social media groups. Once you get a few clients, your reputation will grow, and you'll find yourself with more work than you can handle. So, if you're looking for a reliable way to earn some extra cash, offering local services is a fantastic option. So, there you have it. 5 ways to make money fast. Now go hustle and make it rain. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite idea. Always plug in to Make Money Monster for all your money-making secrets. With these 5 methods, you can start earning extra cash today. Whether you're selling stuff you don't need, freelancing your skills, joining the gig economy, taking surveys, or offering local services, there's something for everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on the Make Money Monster channel. Keep hustling and making that cash.